When managing your finances, formulas are your best friend. I've spent 35 years as an accountant for Fortune 500 and private equity firms, so I know exactly which tools actually matter. Here are 10 formulas even beginners should be using on their phones right now. Okay, to go over these 10 formulas, I've got a travel budget here for a trip to Glacier National Park that we took. And what you'll see is a description, a budget amount, a percent of total, an actual amount, and a variance. I also have budget items including fuel, food, park passes, vehicle permits, rafting, souvenirs, rental car, airfare, hiking gear, and lodging. The first formula we should discuss is how to total this budget to see how much we're going to spend when we go to Glacier National Park. So I'm going to tap on row A15 and type in total. And in cell B15, we're going to use our first formula. And I'm going to do equals, sum, open parentheses, and I'm going to tap B5 and then drag down and highlight all the way down to lodging using that green circle in the lower right corner. Now with the closed parentheses, I have my formula. So I'm going to add up that range of cells with the green check mark, and we're going to get $10,900. I don't like the decimals there, so I am going to hit the underline A, and I'm going to go to number format and decimal places down here and just reduce that to make it look better. Now, the second formula that I'd like to go over is the average formula. I'd like to know the average cost of each of these budget items. So in B16, I'm going to type in equals. This is easy. Average, open parentheses, and I'm going to highlight the same range. Hit the green check mark. So you'll see that these budget items are averaging out at about $1,090, from lodging at $4,000 to fuel at $150. But what you might want to know is, what is the most expensive item in my budget? Maybe there's a way to make that a little less, but if I don't know what the most expensive item is, I won't be able to address it. So there's a max formula that will help me do that, and I'll equals max, open parentheses, and again, I'll highlight my range, close parentheses, and I'll find out that the maximum dollar amount, budgeted amount, is $4,000. But what's the minimum amount? I can use the min function to determine that. So we'll do equals min, open parentheses, highlight the range, close parentheses, and it's $50. And now I know that the vehicle permits are the smallest dollar amount in my budget items. But what if I want to know what the number is in the middle of my range? Or another way to average is with median. I can go ahead and type in median, open parentheses, highlight the range, close parentheses, and now I can find out that the median is $650. Now, before we get to the next formula, I've spent the last 35 years growing successful companies by keeping things simple. Subscribe if you want more high-level sheet shortcuts that save you hours of manual work. Okay, on to the next formula. Another formula that we can look at is how many budget items do I have? So I can use the count function to determine how many budget items I have in my list. So I can count the range and determine that there are 10 budget items in my trip budget. But now maybe I want to know what percent of total each of these budget items are. So in my total of 10,900, for example, what percent is food? Or what percent is fuel? So here I can type in equals B5 divided by B15. And what I'm going to do so I can copy and paste is I am going to go to special characters, and I'm going to use the string to add cell referencing so that when I copy and paste down, I'm anchored on cell B15. And I can see that 0.0137 is the amount there. So I'm going to hit the underline A and format that cell to a percent. And we'll see that it's 1.38% of the total. Now I'm going to copy this down. Copy. Paste. I lost my border. So let's go ahead and add that back with the underline A. I'm going to pick borders. I'm going to underline. Okay. So that is how you determine the percent of total. So now we know that food is 7.34% of the total budget, 10,900. And now as I scroll over to the right, you can see that I have actual amounts. I want to calculate the variance. So how much over or under budget am I? So here it's just a simple subtraction formula. I'm going to take the $175 D5 and subtract B5 to learn that I'm $25 over budget on my fuel. I'm going to copy that down. And I'm going to copy and paste that formula down as well. To get a copy of this spreadsheet with the formulas included, read our video description while you watch. Okay, let's put the border back in. And let's do another sum function here to total equals sum, open parentheses, again, D5 to D14, close parentheses. And now I know that the actual amount is 10,803. And I am going to reduce the decimals again, just to make it easier to read. So now I know that, say, food costs, for example, came in under budget at $50. But let's look and see what the sum is of all of the items that I was over budget. So this is a little more complex formula. It's equals SUMIF, open parentheses, I'm going to highlight and here I do quote greater than 0 quote comma. So the first parameter in our formula E5 to E14 is what we want to search on. The greater than 0 is what we want to identify. And then we're going to sum anything where that qualification happens, the same column, E5 to E14. Close parentheses. And now you can see that I don't like it there, so I'm going to cut. I'm going to paste. You can see that of my variances, the ones that are over budget total up to $789. So I'm going to type in over budget here. Now that we know what is over budget, the next formula is the mode formula. I'm going to type that here. But that formula shows what is the number that is repeated the most in a range of cells. So here I'm going to equals mode open parentheses, highlight my range, close parentheses, D5 to D14. You'll see $475 is the number that is repeated the most often. To continue learning Google Sheets on your phone, watch this video next.